Hey guys, my name is Vidhan and welcome back to the Top Percentile channel. Just some time back, MBA CET 2025 results were out. We've been getting a lot of messages, a lot of aspirants have been texting us, calling us, but for some strange reasons, a lot of them are asking how do we access our scorecard. So hence we are making this video where I'll show you how you can access your scorecard. You can have a look at the percentile. After looking at the percentile, you can have a look at different cutoffs of different colleges, different programs. And if you're in the category, you can even have a look at the category percentile. And after looking at that, you can take a call if you feel that you'd be getting that college or no, the one that you dream of. If not, and if you think that you can prepare for next year very patiently and consistently, then you should definitely wait for the next year and prepare really hard for CT to get that dream college of yours. But if that point of saturation has been reached and you think that for any other reason you cannot re-study or re-prepare for CET, then this is the college, the whatever college you get according to the percentile that you've got, please go for that. All right, let me just show you how do you access the scorecard. All right, to access the scorecard, you will have to come to this website, which is cetcell.mahacet.org. All right, once you are there, this is the homepage. You under CETs, you click on 2025, 2026. Once you click on that, you just have to click on your registered email ID. Just type in your password. All right, once you click on that, this is the Launchpad page. This is the portal, your portal. And what you have to do is you have to go to the scorecard over there below. Once you click on that, under this PG tab, post graduation, you'll find MH, MBA, CET scorecard. Just click on it. Sometimes it'll take some time. You might not be able to see the option to download the scorecard, but just wait patiently. Just bear with me. This happening because a lot of people are trying to access the scorecard simultaneously, and hence the site is taking a lot of load. And this is normal with CET. I mean, it's not very efficient, so it takes time. And if on the first go, if you don't find this download option over here, just try refreshing the page. After two, three times, you'd be able to see this option to download. Once you click on download, this is the kind of PDF you'd be able to see. Of course, since I had not marked any question, because a lot of students have been asking us that the percentile gets messed up for that group or for that slot, and hence we have been taking CT for a very long time. We've never marked our answers, especially me. So there's the percentile without marking anything, and they even show you the IP address from which you had taken the exam. So just to minimize cheating, the date when you had given, this is the percentile. The score is valid for 25, 26 admission, and it's not the same as the percentage. Of course, guys, percentile means the percentage of people that you've left behind. So it's not really a percentage. And we had also made a video on normalization document, which is there on the CET official website under notice section. So you can have a look at that also. So guys, download this. Um, we'll be making a lot more videos on different percentiles, different cutoffs of different colleges, different categories as well. So stay tuned to our channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to our channel so that we'll be uploading around 5, 6, 7 videos in next 1 or 2 days for you all, so that you all can get help, one-stop solution for all of you. Uh, for any confusion that arises, we are there for you. Our videos would help you and would help address every single problem of yours. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Stay tuned to your channel. Thanks.